that today is finally the day that I've always been looking forward to and always feeling like अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, अभी मेरे लिए तो बहुत टाइम है. Today is my farewell day. It's my life's first ever farewell क्योंकि जब मेरा स्कूल का farewell था उस time we got COVID and I never got to have a farewell. But this is my first farewell and also my last day in my college. I'm trying not to think more about it because अभी बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है. I don't want to get late on my last day. I mean that won't be iconic. That would just be stupid of me. So it's 8 a.m. right now. I woke up around 7:30. अभी I'm gonna tell you the plan. I'm gonna go take a shower. I actually called someone to get my hair done. Just urban clapped it. कल मुझे कराना था but कल बहुत सारा chaos हो रहा था. You know that last moment chaos where you just find out कि तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है. And I also had one of my friends' birthday. तो कल ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं पाया. So anyways, we're not gonna stress. Goal for today is to just be happy and enjoy. But yeah, I'm like so excited to take you guys along with me because हमने first day भी साथ किया था. तो of course हम last day भी साथ करेंगे. Yeah. Okay, let's go take a shower. Okay, I'm out from the shower. I forgot to brush, so I'm gonna brush and comb my hair now. And the hairdresser might be here any minute. Initially, my plan was that if the hairdresser is a woman, I can take her help to tie my sari. It turns out he's a male, so I'm confused now. I don't know what to do about my sari. Even though I ordered a pre-draped sari, but I'm still like, I don't think I can do it on my own. I need my mom here right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is ice my face. I don't have any of those fancy products, guys. Wish I had that roller. उससे बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत ज़्यादा convenient हो जाती. But since I don't have it, I'm just gonna take this ice cube and ice my freaking face. I don't know इससे कितना फायदा होता है, but I'm gonna take my chances. Oh shit, मैंने अपनी मूंछें नहीं उड़ाई. But I'm gonna shave my freaking face because I forgot it. Do we see a difference? Do we? भाई मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, मैं सच बताऊँ तो I'm freaking out right now because I wish I had some other girl with me to help me, but I don't have anyone. I'm like too awkward and also too lazy to go outside and get all of these things done. It's my day. I don't want it to be very chaotic. I don't want to hear loud noises at some parlor in my morning before I leave for my farewell. I don't know if this makes sense to you guys, but like I don't know. I just want me, you guys, peace while I get ready. Okay guys, skin prep done. It's glowing just like I want it to glow. Now I'm gonna film some before transition reels because that's important. मैं सारी before जितनी भी है वो सब film कर लूँगी and I am hoping तब तक मेरी वो hair stylist आ जाएंगे. I don't know why they're getting late today, but anyways. अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Okay, I have 10 minutes to do my makeup. 10 minutes to do my makeup. Then I also have to tie my sari and leave. I'm gonna try my best to not be late. मुझे 10 बजे पहुंचना है and it's 9:30 right now, so we have half an hour. I love this blush. It's not that visible on the camera, but I just love it. मेरा टाइमर खत्म हो गया है. Okay, it's a good thing मुझे अब सिर्फ like lips prep करना है and then I'm done. Okay, I know I'm getting late for the farewell, but deciding the lip combo is literally the hardest part. I wore my blouse to see which lipstick combo is gonna look the best on me today. I recently ordered a bunch of lip shades from Blue Heaven. Let's test them together. Okay, so first is this Love Capsule in the shade Mocha Frappe. Wait, this is so pigmented. Like genuinely one swipe is enough. And this is smudge proof, waterproof and transfer proof. Basically farewell proof. It feels really hydrating too. Look at that pretty matte finish. I also got another shade in this. It's called Exclusive Pink. Next we are trying the Ultimate Non-Transfer Lipstick in the shade 6. Guys, this has shea butter and vitamin E. So it gives that super soft buttery matte finish without feeling dry at all. Also swatching shade 5 because this one is gorgeous too. Okay, and last, this is something that I've been using for a while and I know that I love. This is Blue Heaven's Get Matte range. First of all, it's super budget friendly and so lightweight. My go-to shade is 602B. Just look at that pigment and matte finish. Obsessed. This range literally has 24 shades. I also have shade 109R. Shop all these amazing lip products from Nykaa. The link is in the description. Okay, I think for the farewell, I'm gonna go with my most trusted. But since now I'm getting extremely late, I wish मैं आपको पूरी साड़ी वाला process दिखाती, but I'm extremely late, guys. I'll see you guys once I get पूरी तरीके से ready. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm ready. Oh my god. Who is she? Who is she? Yaksha's gonna come to pick me up. I love how pretty I look like. Oh my god.
लास्ट डे है, अब क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशन के साथ में नहीं रहा है. I just hope that today is full of joy and happiness and no chaos and no stress. So yeah, I'm just hoping to enjoy today. कैसा लग रहा है?
कैसा लग रहा है? आई एम ग्रेटफुल किड्स एंडिंग. कैसा लग रहा है?
तुझे कैसा लग रहा है? सेम ग्रेटफुल इट्स एंडिंग. गुड. नो मोर आधे घंटे के लंच ब्रेक जहाँ 4 बार वीडियो कॉल आ रहा है. ओह माय गॉड, सो ट्रू.
A very good morning, respected dignitaries, esteemed faculty members and...
Okay, so the event started with a small puja and lighting the candle. उसके बाद the best faculty member came up to give a small speech.
इस मैजिक को जब आप फील कर पाते हो और वो सिर्फ आप ही कर सकते हो, because medical profession allows you to know in details how this magic actually functions.
We all went out for a batch photograph near our college ka campus. This is a batch photograph and I'm going to give you 3 seconds to spot me. Chalo, 3, 2, 1. I know आप नहीं ढूंढ पाए, but this is me anyways. इसके बाद the real event जिसमें we were being called on stage and felicitated actually started. But since मेरा नाम A से start होता है, मेरा name बहुत जल्दी आ गया and I didn't get any time to process. Thank you. After this, we took lots and lots of pictures and even more videos, and many of them are already on my Instagram and YouTube shorts, so you can go check them out there.
Best department, any guesses? क्या लगता है मैंने आभा मैम को और अंशुमन सर को क्यों बिठाया यहाँ पे? Department of Medicine. Diva. Guess. This is the hardest to guess. यहाँ फिर से टाई है, incidentally. 2 लड़कों के बीच में. Dr. Harsh Rathi and Dr. Vikas Kumar. Who is the most likely to be late? There are 3 names actually here. Abhinav, Harshvardhan, and Amit Raj Shukla. Okay, who's most probable to be the future millionaire? Advika. It is Advika Singh by a big margin. Now we'll be starting with the performances.
तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा, यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम।
After these performances, we filmed a lot of reels और उसके बाद we also had lunch, जो कि मैं पूरी तरीके से film करना भूल गई. But उसके बाद we went to the lecture theatre for one last time. This time in this LT, how are you feeling?
Very sad that it is our last time, but happy that it's our last time.
Anshuman, last time in LT, how are you feeling?
Mostly nostalgic. और ये LT बहुत अच्छा बन गया, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था.
हमारे जाने के बाद बेटर हो गया.
अब यहाँ पे जो हमने 5 साल बैठ के मेमोरीज लोग के लिए हैं वो दोबारा तो नहीं लिव कर पाएंगे. बट इट हैज़ बीन अ गुड टाइम एंड आई विल रिमेंबर.
मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है कि हमारे टाइम पे इसकी छतें गिर रही होती थी और अब पता नहीं कौन सी मॉड्यूलर वॉल्स लग गई हैं यहाँ पे. सो ग्रेट आई गेस.
ग्रेट. व्हाट अबाउट नवनीत?
एक छोटा सा जो कवर है हमारे पास में,
भाई LT के बारे में बता. आई लव यू गाइस.
यहाँ पे कुछ वीडियोस प्ले होने वाली थी, जिसमें से one video was my last gift to my batch, and I just hope that this video would make my batchmates and their younger self feel really proud. So yeah. What is up guys? I know that was such an emo ending, but there were so many things जो कि मैं बिल्कुल फिल्म करना भूल गई. I feel when you are in such moments, you just kind of forget about other things. जैसे मेरे लिए I forgot filming. I did film a couple of reels though, so you can go check them out on my YouTube shorts या on my Instagram. Apart from that, there were many things जो कि मैं बिल्कुल ही भूल गई दिखाना. First of all, ये event जो था, this was like an informal/formal event जो हमारे juniors ने हमारे लिए host किया था. They gifted us a lot of things. सबसे पहले तो we got this yearbook, and I think this was the first time हमारे कॉलेज ने एक ईयरबुक प्रिंट करा कर दिया है. ये जो इसका कवर पेज है, दिस वाज फ्रॉम आवर फ्रेशर्स पार्टी. ट्राई टू स्पॉट मी इफ यू कैन. अंदर इज द अवार्ड्स सेक्शन. तो इसके लिए बेसिकली उन्होंने एक गूगल फॉर्म बनाया था एंड देन एवरीवन वोटेड फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल, एंड आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस एट ऑल. लाइक मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था ये होगा, बट मेरे बैच ने मुझे मोस्ट प्रोबेबल फ्यूचर मिलेनियर के लिए वोट करा है. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गई थी उस टाइम. मतलब मैंने बिल्कुल ही एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, तो मेरा कुछ रिएक्शन ही नहीं आया. उसके बाद देयर आर सो मेनी पिक्चर्स हियर, लाइक सो मेनी. जैसे दिस वन वाज फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट एवर इवेंट. जैसे हमारे फेस्ट्स होते हैं सोसाइटी, आई वाज इन द ड्रामा सोसाइटी, तो दिस इज फ्रॉम दैट. इज फ्रॉम आवर लास्ट लेक्चर डे एंड दिस यूज्ड टू बी लाइक हमारा बेंच. ये जैसे स्क्रिबल डे का है ये. या सो मेनी मेमोरीज. उसके बाद लेट्स स्टार्ट विद माय ईयरबुक. फोटोज होती है और सबका एक कोट होता है, लाइक यू नो लाइक देयर आइडेंटिटी. इसमें मुझे अपना तो मैं बता ही देती हूँ. दिस इज माई पिक्चर और मेरा कोट था Dear younger me, this is what don't quit looks like. Basically this day, मतलब farewell का day and graduating from a medical college with social media and doing everything जो कि मुझे करना था. So that बहुत लोगों के बहुत iconic है. जैसे इसका quote है, we are adults, when did that happen and how do we make it stop?
We're adults. When did that happen? And how do we make it stop?
Oh, I love this. I came, I saw, I slept. Iconic. UCMS, usually chill, mostly sleep deprived. Damn, that was nice. सबसे पहले जो हमें मिला था वो था ये sash. I know that I'm always gonna keep this with me. It's like so precious. But of course है UCMS, हमारा college का logo. But this side it is my name with Dr. Advika Singh Chauhan. Let's go. And also MBBS batch of 2020. Wow. And इसके साथ हमें ये भी मिला था. I think it's called a plaque. I don't exactly know. But इसमें there is a medal and of course my name with on graduating as Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. That is the full form of MBBS. I think मैं इसको घर पे रखूंगी forever. को लोग usually अपने clinics पे रखते हैं वैसे but and in the end जो कि बिल्कुल unexpected था, हमारे juniors ने हमें ये दिया which is basically a pen with our name written on it, which is so nice. So this was completely unexpected when they were giving this pen. It was like a roll call sesh. It was like our last roll call sesh. So they were calling out our names and we had to say present, present. फिर they were coming to us to give this pen. It was a very small detail but I really enjoyed it and really appreciated that. Like जब ये खत्म हो गया तो उसके बाद हम कुछ डिपार्टमेंट्स में गए थे to say our goodbyes to our professors and PGs and जिनके साथ भी हमने internship में काम करा है. I hope you guys enjoyed because आप लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा contribution रहा है in my college life from day 1 to here. I think I am a completely different person and a lot of it actually goes to you guys because we built a community here और उसके वजह से there was so many things which happened in my life जो कि नहीं होती if I didn't have you guys. So I just want to thank you so much for sticking by and always supporting me, always being there for me and always wishing the best. I hope you all also achieve your dreams. I'm gonna end this vlog on that note before I start to cry. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling and keep achieving. Bye.